lang doon yung bagong Poso Negro. Yan yun, no? Yung dalawang pinto na yan. Yung dalawang pinto na yan, ano to? Ito yung female. Ay, teka. Tama, female to. Female at saka male. So sayang, di natin napasok, no? Di natin napasok. Pero ikakrap na lang namin yung mga dati naming nakuhang picture. So dito maglalagay tayo ng ilaw dito para maliwanag. Pansin nyo, walang ilaw. So sa loob din, wala rin. So ayan. May mga jealousy doon, walang problema sa jealousy. Ayan lang din yun. Pero hindi yung kisame natin sa loob lang. Yung loob lang. Sa kanya siguro to kung may susobra sa budget. Ngayon, di ba? Pwede pa yung mga inidoro nila, konting linis lang yan. Kilamos lang din sa kisame, tapos tinan nyo, walang mga pinto yung mga cubicle. So, see-through. See-through, walang mga posit. Yan, ganyan. Wala silang mga posit.
So, hindi rin option na sipsipan na lang dahil saglit.
Ganun lang din ang mangyayari sa kanya. Actually, magiging ano na lang siya. Kung papaganahin pa yan, magiging pabigat lang tong old. Kaya doon sa old. Doon sa new. Oo, magiging pabigat lang siya. So, yan. So, malaki talagang ginhawa to kung ma-rehabilitate natin to at mapagana natin to. Sobra.
So guys, ito yung estimate na ginawa ni Sir Rodel Tolentino. Member din siya ng ating project committee. Siya yung nakita nyo kanina sa video na nagmo-monstra. And sa estimate niya, all in all, including manpower cost, it will take around 155,000 plus ng budget required. But then, as per him, ito ang ceiling. Ceiling na to. So, if there will be any bidding, there will be any proposal, anything more than this to repair for the rehabilitation of the toilet is i-reject ng committee, i-reject ng So dapat it's either ito siya or mas mababa pa. And as per him, he's confident. He's confident na if he will take this up to the third party, mas mapapababa pa natin to. Of course, we will also ask the school, baka meron na silang recommended na mga usual na gumagawa doon. But then, as I said, ito ang ceiling natin. Hindi tayo lalampas dito sa budget na to. Sir Rodel is also a contractor. Kaya lang, of course, siya na rin naman ang nagano na as much as possible ayaw niyang and wala rin siyang manpower for this, and it will be a conflict of interest na naman in case na sa kanya natin although in my preference I would prefer talaga sa kanya, but then due to conflict of interest, ayun na nga, might as well let ask for bidding, and or if the school already have official contractors nila. Anyway, this will go through official process. Another project proposal is yung ceiling ng one of the room ng SPED. SPED is a curriculum for yung mga gifted na mga bata, yung may disabilities, pinasok din namin to during ocular, wala lang kami nagawang video. And napakainit talaga dito. As in, kung mapapansin nyo naman, rekta yung sinag ng araw, tagusan dito sa bubong. Ayan, yan yung yung ceiling na yung kisame na another project proposal. Actually, ang bilis nga ng mga SPED teachers doon nung makita nila na we're looking for project, nag-draft agad sila ng letter addressed to our batch through one of our members, si Ma'am Jeff Del Rosario Sanchez, if I'm not mistaken. And yun nga, they're requesting na baka sakaling maisama natin to sa ating project. Of course, this one will cost less. And that's why we're proposing this. And ito pala yung tawag dito, yung costing na ginawa ni Sir Rodel. Naman will cost around 52,000 plus. Again, ceiling to. So anything more than this, kapag nag-propose yung mga prospective nating mga gagawa, i-reject ng batch. As you can see guys, there were two projects. Yung isa medyo mura, yung isa medyo mahal. We're proposing them na yun ang gamitin nating project so that maging flexible tayo kung ano man yung malikom for the donations. Pero kung sakaling maging maganda ang outcome, ang output ng batch regarding sa donation, well, it's a great idea na magawa natin itong dalawang to. And hopefully sana magawa natin yun.
These two projects are the urgent requirement ng school, which we are hoping to accomplish, but it will all depend sa fund na malilikom. We are presenting these proposals to you, our batchmates, to solicit your ideas, participation, but more particularly, to roll out our donations campaign. Maganda po sana makagawa muna tayo ng project before our silver anniversary, as agreed during the last quarterly meeting. Maganda rin na nataon ang ating 25th anniversary sa year 2025. O diba? 25-25. Malay nyo, makadiscount tayo sa Shopee or Lazada. Diyos, time is the essence sa project na ito dahil kailangan talaga ito ng mga estudyante. These projects are open din for batchmates na into construction. You may submit your bid or proposals. Every aspect of this project shall be documented and presented to the batchmates for transparency. There's a separate video presentation for how you can participate, donate, and even send your suggestions concerning the project as well as the alumni homecoming. Again, batchmates, we're hoping to get you guys involved sa projects na ito para naman we will have something valuable sa school to commemorate on our silver anniversary homecoming. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to hear from you soon. And don't forget to subscribe sa Viva Max. Ciao!